Hello everyone. Get a quick look at the 3-month renovation journey of this abandoned house, all in just a 10-minute video. The house transformation begins by removing all trash, clearing the space to prepare for the upcoming changes. Special attention is given to carefully removing old floors which no longer fit the new vision for the space. The walls are stripped down, eliminating outdated materials and making room for a fresh, modern design. The ceiling is also taken apart, ensuring a clean slate for the planned improvements and upgrades throughout the area. The damaged floor is being replaced with OCB boards, which are cut precisely to fit, ensuring stability and durability for long-term use in the space. Bleach is used to clean floors and walls. By removing dirt, grime, and stains, effectively it sanitizes surfaces, killing harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause health issues. The strong disinfecting power of bleach helps in maintaining a hygienic environment in homes and public spaces. It is also used to remove unpleasant odors, leaving surfaces fresh and sanitized. Wiring is being started, and a new gas water heater is installed to ensure efficient hot water supply throughout the system. Gutters are attached securely along the roofline to direct rainwater away from the building's foundation. Adding a strong base to the floor ensures stability and durability for the entire structure. Drywall is added to the walls and ceiling to provide a smooth and finished appearance. Quality materials are essential for long-lasting renovations and ensuring the project's success. Renovation challenges often arise, but safety remains the top priority throughout the entire process. Skilled workers handle the most complex tasks, ensuring every aspect is carefully crafted and properly executed. Proper planning and expertise in renovation lead to exceptional results and a secure, well-built space. The mudding process smooths out the walls, covering seams and imperfections to create a flawless finish. Kill's original primer is applied to basement walls to seal stains and create a smooth surface for paint. Windows are carefully repaired by sealing gaps and replacing damaged glass to restore their functionality and appearance. Inside, doors are securely attached to the frame's proper alignment for daily use. The priming of the walls and ceiling continues smoothly, with a fresh coat being applied over the surfaces. Once the primer dries, the space is ready for the final coat of paint to be added. PAR adds elegance and warmth to any room, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the space. The natural wood grains and patterns create a timeless appeal, making it a popular flooring choice. AR is durable and easy to maintain, offering long-lasting beauty with proper care. Applying baseboards enhances the room's overall design, completing the look of freshly laid floors. The bathroom is prepared for tiling by cleaning the surface and ensuring it is level and dry. Floor and wall tiles are laid carefully, ensuring alignment and consistency across the entire space. The vanity unit with a basin is securely attached, and the toilet is installed with proper plumbing connections. Tiles are attached in various areas of the house, enhancing the overall design and providing a clean finish. New windows and an entrance door are installed, improving both the appearance and functionality of the home. Cabinets are made for different rooms including kitchens and living rooms, to provide storage and functionality. The basement floor is being washed thoroughly to ensure cleanliness and prepare it for further improvements. A wooden fence provides privacy and security, offering a natural boundary around the house and yard. It enhances the aesthetic appeal of the property, blending with various landscaping styles and designs. Wood is a sustainable material, making the fence environmentally friendly while offering long-lasting durability. The final step in renovating the house is clearing the backyard to create an open, usable space. The house makeover is finished, resulting in major upgrades that boost both practicality and visual charm. Before and after videos show the remarkable transformation. Highlighting the hard work and creativity involved. Adding modern features like updated flooring, energy-efficient lighting, and refreshed walls increases the overall value of the home. Creative designs and strategic layout changes make the space feel more spacious, inviting, and organized. For more insights and behind-the-scenes details on the transformation, subscribe to the Vitaly Katan YouTube channel.